doing?
What are you doing?
I'm trying to press undo.
That's not how it works. Technology has developed so much in my lifetime. You need to understand how we got here. Maybe then you can develop a better future. What is it?
Why should we look to the past in order to prepare for the future?
Because there's nowhere else to look. Artificial grass was made from plastic to look like natural grass. It is now commonly used in stadiums for sports. However, it was intended to be used in residential lawns. It stands up to intense use, does not need water or any upkeep, which is great for stadiums because of the reduced maintenance of the grass. The downsides are limited lifetime, periodic cleaning requirements, petroleum use, and toxic chemicals from infill. It was predicted the office of the future would not need any people, just a quiet room equipped with automated machines. Sound like a perfect place to you? This was Burke's demonstration of the future office, which couldn't be more far off. We have come to understand we are social beings. We need to see each other and also take breaks as well. The same pattern is applicable with modern technology. We just call this break a digital detox, which is desired by 41% of Gen Xers, according to a recent study. With COVID-19, people are stuck at home, demonstrating how we miss face-to-face contact with our friends and colleagues. Technical devices cannot replace physical relationships. Banking has gone almost completely digital. It was late 1980s when payment terminals arrived in stores. This innovation exemplifies how a single idea makes something as traditional and strong as cash obsolete. Just 4 decades later, it is quite impossible to walk through town without being shown the decreasing popularity of cash. People have adapted well. 80% of adults nowadays choose online banking as the top one way of managing their finances. The earliest mobile phones are nothing like the fabulous high-end technology we carry around with us nowadays. 41 years ago, mobile phones and networks went through a slow growth. Nowadays, modern mobile phones and networks have developed exponentially. The innovation is immeasurable, from a natural monopoly-owned service network provider to multiple, from 0G network to 5G or maybe even 7G, and from cordless mobile phone to smartphones. The computer wasn't born for entertainment or email, but out of a need to solve a number crunching problem. The government sought a faster way to get the job done, giving rise to punch card-based computers that took up entire rooms. Nowadays, majority of people depend on technology in most aspects of their life. They can be used without any detailed knowledge of their inner workings. Modern computers are now everywhere. Homes, offices, businesses, hospitals, and schools, to name a few. Modern society has become so dependent on computers that many people become frustrated and are unable to function when computers are unavailable. Future computers promise to be faster, smaller, and more convenient, with hardware shrinking and becoming more powerful to execute instructions and perform calculations in a shorter time. It is very possible that there will be a widespread use of wearable systems in the future. We've become very good at using devices that we don't understand. Today's gadgets are a mystery as opposed to people studying the Nelly computer at school back then. They work, they're slow, or they crash. But all the while, the average user has no idea what's going on beneath the layers of glass, plastic, and metal. That doesn't seem to bother users, who are happy and confident as long as they can get the devices to do what they want. And maybe that's where we need to reevaluate our educational systems for a world that could possibly go completely digital.